fix capture card not working with PS5. So the first step is to check your HDMI connections, which is the most common issue. So your console's HDMI out to your capture card should be checked, and then the capture card's USB out to your PC should also be checked as well, because wrong wiring would result in no signal. Now the next thing you can do is to check your HDCP on the PS5. So make sure it is disabled. So go into system, go into HDMI, that's settings, system, head over to HDMI and turn the HDCP off. Without this, the capture card just shows a black screen. So make sure you disable this option. Now, once you've done that, you could also check your software. So you could just simply check your software to make sure the video capture card is added, and then you just select your capture card as the device you're using. And then you could also set your PS5 resolution, make sure it's set to the best quality, or you could just keep it on automatic. And then you could also just try a different USB port, that is, try a different USB port for your capture card and the HDMI in and out. So make sure to check those ports. Alright, and don't forget to also check and update your card drivers. So update your capture card drivers, and then also update the OBS or whatever recording software you're using, and then test it. Alright.